When we arrived in Socorro, we learned that we're the only boat here. Despite Navy, Socorro was abandoned. In a place where usually many dive charter boats fight for the best anchorage, we picked our spot and enjoyed the beautiful nature above and below the surface. One part of me was sad to interrupt the just established board routine, but the other part couldn't wait to jump into the blue and swim with sharks and the huge Oceanic Manta Rays. It's a world-famous dive destination for a reason, so forget about the boat routine. Socorro has a rough shoreline, and landing in a dinghy is quite a task. We kinda made it and explored a few places, but honestly, the underwater world is why we stopped here, so let's get wet.
Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt. Time to raise it too loud. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. 'Cause I've got that fire inside, lighting up my heart. Looking back,
And there they are. Bucketlist check number 1. A dream came true.
Life passing by, can't go slow, no. We ride it once, then we're done. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. 'Cause I got that fire inside, lighting up my heart.
Most parts of the crew never swam with sharks, and here we are swimming with them. They were big, and with the crystal clear water, it felt like they were right next to us.
I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. 'Cause I got that fire inside, lighting up my heart. Oh yeah, light up the sky.
You think that they will come closer if I go down?
'Cause I got that
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
inside. Yeah.
Are you camera shy or what?
Only early in the morning.
We're sailing, man.
We only stayed a few days, and when we left, we all had a huge smile on our faces. All of us experienced the initial anxiety growing into pure fascination for sharks. Of course, sharks are dangerous animals, but we found no reason to fear them. The boat routine came back as soon as Socorro fell behind, and we all agreed to stop at Isla Clarion if the wind allows us. Perfect sailing with a nice breeze, calm seas, and dry and sunny weather gave all of us room to relax. No way it could get any better.
Relax. Hold on. There's a huge white intruder. Attack!
So what are you doing?
Lime for tequila. The tequila day. 2nd of June, tequila day.
Tequila day. Yeah, we want to make a bunch of cocktails, of course.
Ready for the margaritas?
Now the problem is, we bought 8 kilograms of limes, and they are getting bad. So we're cutting it and making some juice. And now we drink.
What is
Don
that?
Julio.
What is that? Salud.
Salud.
Salud. Small sip. Oh, it's okay. I like it. Oh, this is good.
Hey, no,
Hey,
no,
no.
no,
Hey.
no, 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 no. Stay
Gone,
away
gone.
from the fish. Neptune accepted our application and sent us favorable winds. Zero was cutting through the water like a hot knife through butter. Let's go!
What?
Next stop, Isla Clarion, the most remote Mexican island. Spirits were high, and with every mile we all grew more and more together as a crew. Isla Clarion is even more rocked than Isla Socorro. Steep cliffs and amazing rock formations dominate the island. There's pretty much only one bay to drop the anchor, right in front of the small military station, but the swell was going up and Zero was rolling quite a bit. Next time on Sailing Zero. The swell took its toll and we had to perform some last-minute offshore repairs.
This is not how it's supposed to be, unfortunately. Yeah. We got some tension on the chain, on the wrong angle, so we bent the dolphin striker.
For God's sake, the captain of the super friendly Mexican Navy ship agreed to help us.
We're sailing to Nuku'hiva. Come on, wake up.
Thank you for watching this video. We made this video for you. If you like it, help us on Patreon to make more videos. And don't miss out on all the other great stories. Aloha! Hey, and don't go without clicking here. Love ya!
It's just me and my boat. It's just me and my boat.